Sometimes I just turn into this tech YouTuber. So today I'm gonna unbox this. Well, I'll try to keep it as raw as possible without much edits. Let's see how it turns out to be. Well, the sad part is preview not supported because I am trying to shoot in 4K. Well, let's start. Well, now you see what it is. Well, I'll tell you right here that this is not mine. This is my friend's phone, the Nigerian Nibba. If you follow my videos, then you know who is the Nigerian Nibba for sure. So 128 gigs, MRP is 73,600. Got this for I think something around 53k. Amazon sale for sure. This is the iPhone 11. Okay, earpods, lightning connector, USB cable, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, blah, 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 NFC, GPS. So I guess he's gonna be watching the video for sure. So let me. Oops. Okay. First iPhone unboxing of my life. Well, oh, this is bigger than I expected. So pretty. Designed by Apple in California. The white looks really good. I recommended him to get the white. Maybe he would have gotten the black instead. I don't know nothing about Apple. Never used any Apple. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Hello. Okay. SIM ejector tool. Apple stickers. Things never get in again. Will you go in, please? Yeah, thank you. Adapter, I think this is not the fast one. 5 volts, so this is not gonna be fast, not a fast charger. So if he wants, he has to buy another one. Amazon offer, so they have these earpods with it. Okay. Right, left. Exactly looks like wireless earphones, but surprise, you got the wire instead. Okay. Let me keep it aside because I don't know what I'm doing. Well, this is the charger cable. Lightning, USB type A. Good enough. Oopsie. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. I just ripped apart the box. Where do I get to see a serial number? He asked me to check the serial number for authenticity. EN. First, where is even the switch? I guess this one. Okay. Yep. First boot. Here it's up. Taking a long time. Okay, hello. Swipe up to open. English. My country is Bangladesh. Oh, come on. Data and privacy, continue, Face ID, set up later in settings, not my phone, so not my face. Create a password, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it can be easily guessed. Okay, sorry about that, but use anyway. Create a passcode, re-enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this phone. Not right now, man. What do I do? Don't transfer apps and data. No Apple ID. What? Okay, I'll just switch it off, I guess. Shut down, then I'll let him do when he comes back from Nigeria, maybe in November. Do what he wants. So his phone, I'm just gonna shut it off. Not gonna set these things up. What do I do? Slide to power off. Okay, like this. Okay. Is it off yet? Looks very pretty. We'll just check out the cameras directly when he arrives. Not right now, so I'm just gonna keep it. After wiping my sweat off, definitely. So charger goes in here. The cable was in here, I think. Putting things back together is really a tough job, I'm telling you. I'm not good at putting things back together. I am a baker. I separate things. I separate myself. Well, okay, here it's getting boxed again. Well, this is it, I guess. I'll try to upload it as raw as possible, as I said. See ya guys later.